Guys, it's another video. Now this is gonna be hopefully not a long video. I'm gonna go through it really quick. Please don't mind my cold sore. But I'm gonna pull out my phone, go to my notes, and talk about some science talk. But we're gonna be talking about energy in here in this video. I'm just gonna talk about the definition, and then I'm going to just talk about the types of energy and what they do. And then maybe another video I'll talk about the laws of energy, because I just don't want to make this really too long. Or maybe if I have time, I'll go back and just do the laws. But the energy in physics terms, let me pull it up. I can't find it. Pull it up. Okay, I pulled it up. Sorry, my phone gets slow sometimes. But energy is the capacity of physical system to perform work. Now, work you'll hear a lot if energy talk in physics. I actually have an app here that I'm going to show you the formula and what it says. Work. Come on. My phone should start working. Alright, it's popping up. Force is said to do work. Now, force and energy, they're different, but in the same meaning of work, they're the same. So, like, you could say force and energy said to do work. They both do work, so that's why they're similar. That's why they have that similarity. Is when it acts on a body so that there is a displacement of the point of application. Now, I'm gonna, so you can see it. Now that is the formula, and it also says, I like this app because it also says, you know, like the name and stuff and all that, what they stand for. It really gives the people of the app a really good, like, you know, meaning for it. Like, not really meaning, but it's easy to understand. So yeah, and I'll just go through these quick. I'll say the laws. I'll go through these quick, but I had these laws kind of stuck. But first law said that energy can't be created nor destroyed. Mostly because of the Big Bang, it created tons of energy, and it's still flowing. But we get our energy from the sun, which the sun got its energy from the nebula, or, you know, nebula to get the sun and all that, which, when the sun happened, they say the sun wasn't created, or solar system was created before the sun. I believe if that happened, we would, you know, not be here now. I think the sun, personally, I think the sun came first, but, I'll talk about that later, and probably another, I just don't want to waste up your time. But because of its going down, nebula got its energy from, it's just breaking down. Energy can transform into a new part of energy, which I'll talk about the energies. But the second law refers, what was it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, hold on. I'm trying to remember. Refers to the state of energy that is reflected in the measurement of degree of a disorder. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I think that's it. I have no time to Google. We're just gonna guess that's it. I'll check it. You know, I should just look at it right now. But the third one mostly says, I'm Googling it right now, but third one says everything will stop. Even energy will stop at absolute zero. Now, absolute zero is extremely cold. So cold, it's colder than nitrogen, or yeah. What's it called? Liquid nitrogen. That's it. It's even colder than that. Some say. But I ain't gonna test that theory out because it's so cold. But second law refers to the state of energy that is reflected and measured of the degree of disorder. I got it right, yes! High five! But, alright, those are the laws. I'm not really gonna be talking depth in those. I'll do it later in another video. most of the stuff, if you hear and you don't understand, don't worry. Leave a comment. Please leave a comment, and I will make another video. I swear. But back onto the first law, it can be created into new forms of energy. Now, here's one. All these energies are. We'll think about that. The energies are nuclear energy. Now this is mostly between atoms. That's an example. Just think about atoms. That's a good nuclear energy. Chemical energy. Now think about a smoke signal when you make the colors. It fuses with chemicals, and that energy will create this neon color. Mostly do it with orange, maybe I think green sometimes, but they do it so people can see that chemical energy will make a signal. It's not just that. I'm just saying an example. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy mostly. Think about a cheetah. That could have been one. Then elastic energy. Bow and arrow. I think when you pull the bow and arrow. The spring. Remember bands that it retracts back. Heat energy. Think about boiling water. That could be one. Not just that. You can also get energy from the sun. It's mostly do with heat. Light energy, get again from the sun, but you can get it from a neon clock, something like that. I'm just saying examples here. I'm not going to say what they mean, but mostly I'm just going to say what they are. So if you have any troubles, and then sound energy, just beating on the desk. That was sound energy. Or sound bouncing back and forth through the mic or my mic of my computer to the headphones or the computer or the phone or tablet, whatever you're listening this on. So yeah, those are just a few. I didn't really state all of them. Yeah, but I just did the main thing that's used every single time. I didn't say all of them. Like I think there's thermal and electorial, something like that. I think I'm really tired, guys. So I just made this video up, or I didn't make it up, but I just said, hey, I'll make a video, and then just started from there. But that is the video for today. This wasn't really. I hope you learned at least a little bit. And plus, I want you to please like and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, at least watch my videos. I just want you guys to learn from it. And I know you guys probably don't like the video so far. I'll try making a new way to make it, entertainable. But I hope you like it. If you have any questions, any questions, please leave a comment. And I hope you liked the video, guys, and keep learning out there, guys.